Oh yeah, before I forget, it's funny how like I've noticed in Switzerland there's like these like areas where the skate parks are, and there's usually like a mini putts I've seen now at them, and like these other just like there's a lot of outdoor ping pong and stuff, a lot of outdoor activity. I wouldn't be surprised if more skate parks pop up. Oh, is this now like you just love skating here?
Yeah, it's so smooth.
I know the asphalt's really good actually.
So nice.
It's like better asphalt here than we get in America.
Even in these shoes, it feels fine.
Very rad. What?
This is just crazy.
I know, we got our pretzels out. Nice view right there. Wow, well, we finally can see it. The actual Matterhorn. Look at that thing. Ain't no Disneyland view. Dang, that's pretty crazy looking. Not such a bad view, just sitting having some coffees right now.
In front of the cemetery.
Got the cemetery, the mountains and whatnot. There's a nice little river over there. Toots finally found a latte with oat milk.
All the machines here are just like pre-made.
I know.
Push a button.
It's kind of crazy how much like automatic coffee there is and like instant coffee there is here, just for the amount of coffee drinkers. I would think that there would be, you know, like more espresso machines, because like it's been hard to find.
You finally found like an Italian cafe.
Yeah, this was a dime a dozen or something here.
Proper.
Because yeah, it was. I can't wait to actually have like a nice latte.
Yeah, it should be like good temperature, honestly.
Yeah, probably is. Good. Good.
This is so good.
Okay, so even though we're like at like a snowboard ski capital, apparently there's like a pump park and some stuff to skate over here. So we talked to the guy even at the restaurant, and he was like a snowboarder, and even he was like, oh, you skateboard? And he's like, there's some stairs and other stuff in like the city center area. So right now we're just kind of cruising, and maybe we'll find something to skate. Who knows? I swear this water makes it seem so much colder over here, getting that little breeze. Okay, so this is the area that they usually have like a pump park or something set up at, but it's all snow right now. Like literally we got the ice rink and this.
Big snow flat.
Yeah, because like I did see photos of the pump park and it was totally set up right here. Like you can definitely tell this was the area. And then he was saying before the school before the school got torn down or something, there was a skate park there too, like a legit park. So we definitely missed out on it. And yeah, this is literally just a big snowy area now.
Yeah, it is.
So I guess there's no skate park over here. Okay, we didn't find the skate park or anything to skate. It's all been like snowed out, but your boy's got a few beers to try right now. I haven't tried this Italian beer. I have actually tried that one. What is this one? I don't know what this one is. And your boy's got some CBD cigs to try, or some CBD pre-rolls. It's so fresh. Funny, it looks like a little blunt and it has a filter on it too. Is there tobacco actually in that? Oh yeah, that might be too tobacco-y for me. There's something. It's either the wrap or something, but I'm gonna put that out. Not for your boy. I haven't smoked cigs in so long, so I can't do that. But I'm gonna try Italian beer. And I did see they had like normal CBD nugs, I think, so I might try that and re-roll them myself, because yeah, that paper is like very tobacco tasting and tastes yucky. This Italian beer, on the other hand, very yummy. Oh, this walk up has been insane. Obviously the high elevation too, you know? Taking me out today too, after all that skating too.
Oh my gosh.
Sheesh. We have so much more to go. We're headed to like the viewpoint, and it's definitely a mission.
Yeah.
I feel like it definitely deters some people from going there, but I feel like I'd see it from here, but I can't anymore. Oh man. It is clearly the spot. Wow. Pretty epic view though. I'm not gonna lie, I get it. I get it. I get it. Spitzy. Wow, there's like still so many people here. But yeah, it was really nice. Yeah, it's definitely worth getting. The trek down begins. It's about to get so steep. I feel like it's just worth skating down this. Oh, there's like a big crowd of people now. Imagine skating down that. All right, it's already like 8 a.m. and we're dipping out of Tosh. And where are we going now?
Back to Zermatt because we're taking the Gornergrat train or Gornergrat up to Matterhorn.
So we're about to get some views today. Oh, it's so loud above me. Am I like one of the only people to skate through here right now? You know? Camp on a cute little coffee shop right here. Princess finally getting her oat milk latte.
It's literally so little in here with our
It's such a.
backpacks.
I know. I feel bad. I'm gonna hit something, but those look so good. Oh, those look really good too. These look really good. I didn't even realize. That's so funny.
And the chocolates are.
Oh, they're mini Matterhorns. Oh.
Yeah.
See, this is why you bring a skateboard too. It's a great tripod. Look at this tripod out here. Oh, that's so funny. Amazing. Yeah, it's crazy. It's 26 degrees right now and there's like no wind and there's sun out and it feels pretty good out. Like I have my jeans on. I got some like long johns under there, but like I'm not freezing right now.
Yeah, you don't even have your gloves on.
Yeah, I don't even have my gloves on right now and it's not too shabby. The snow high.
I mean, it's definitely cold though.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting cold. Like my board's cold for sure.
So funny.
Making our way down. It's crazy how like dead it is. Everyone's obviously like riding down and like no one's training back down.
Trained ourselves basically.
It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. And wow, we're gonna beat that fool down. So I did get to pick up some CBD flower. These ones are actually pretty good. There was another flavor, little purple haze one. I tried like the pre-rolls earlier, but the pre-rolls were rolled in like tobacco paper. It was like a blunt, so I wasn't really into that, but like look at this. And it is funny to see like OCB is like the main one holding it down here for rolling papers. Like there were no raws in there. On to the next trend. I might low-key. I had a few of these